Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into AP Digital Portfolio. What you have to do is first open the Google Chrome web browser, and in the top section, that is URL section, type down AP Digital Portfolio and enter it after you're done. And here from the search results, we have to click on the first option that says Digital Portfolios AP Students. Click on that and you just landed to the Digital Portfolio's official homepage, and in the top right corner beside the search bar there's this icon that says sign in. Click on this, and here we could see in order to sign in you have to type down your email address, and you also have the access to this box right here which says remember my email address. If you want to remember your email address in this device, and click right in the box, but if you don't, click back again. And if you do need help signing in, you have this option right over here. Click on this option if you need any help signing in, and the college board will help you. And after you're done with this, click on the next option right over here, and we are also required with our password, so simply type down your password and click on the sign in option, and then you'll be able to successfully log into your AP Digital Portfolio. This is it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.